Here. It's a banana. Come on. It's it's a banana. Come on. Come on. There you go. She does not want this piece of banana. She was all up in my face looking like she wanted it, and she won't even lick it. Oh, no, I touched her mouth with it. Come on. Come here, Zoe. Come here. Here. No luck. I bet King would eat the banana. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi, I miss you. I miss you. Come home and feed me better food like steak or something. Not this frickin' bananas. Nope, nothing. Oh well. Say bye.